Tender chicken meets crispy potatoes, dressed with a New York original. Enjoy this classic salad with a spicy twist. Thoroughly wash all the produce. No need to peel the potato. Then, cut the potato into chunks and spread them on a baking tray. Drizzle with oil. Season with salt and pepper. Toss to coat. Once the oven is hot, roast on the top shelf until golden. Heat some olive oil in a large frying pan. Once hot, add the chicken. Season with salt and pepper, then sprinkle over the Central American-style spice mix. Fry until golden brown and cooked through inside. Tear the ciabatta into small chunks and place them onto a baking tray. Drizzle with olive oil, add salt and pepper, and toss to coat. Make sure the pieces don't overlap. Bake the croutons on the middle shelf until golden. Remove the potatoes and croutons from the oven and set aside. Cut the tomatoes into chunks. Next, trim the baby gem and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Put them in a large bowl. Now mix the hot sauce, honey, and cider vinegar in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and mix well. Add the chicken, potatoes, and croutons to the bowl and mix with the dressing. Divide the salad between plates, then sprinkle with the hard Italian-style cheese and finish with a drizzle of mayonnaise. A kick of spice, a pop of crunch, and all flavour. Enjoy!